Hi. There you go.
Hello, this is James McLean from Los Angeles, California. This is video number 3 of 3 for safety inspection videos to approve this brand new Toyota Camry LE for driving with lifts. In this video, we're going to sweep the interior. First of all, brand new Toyota Camry interior. Really nothing unusual to see here, just a gorgeous brand new upholstery, brand new floor mats, brand new everything. Here's the back seats. Okay, now we're going to do the seat belts. First, this one. It goes right there, of course. It pulls, locks, and releases. Here's the middle seat belt right here. It goes in, it pulls tight, and it releases, like every good seat belt should. Finally, we have this seat belt. It comes in, locks tight. If somebody pulls on it too fast, it restrains them, keeps them safe, and it releases. Okay, going up to the front. Here's the driver's seat belt. It goes in right about here. It restrains you, as it should, and press the button and it releases, as it should. Finally, I'm going to jump right over here to the other side. Passenger seat belt. It pulls out nice. It will hold tight and it will release, just like so. Okay, finally for this video, we're going to turn on the engine and rev it for you. Here's this brand new engine, 4-cylinder. It's a very quiet engine, you can hardly hear it. Just rev it a few times. I'll give you a chance to see it running as well, hear it running. Okay, so that's the third video of the 3 safety inspection videos for my brand new Toyota Camry LE. This is James McLean from Los Angeles, California. Driver code JAMES6064. Please approve these videos as soon as possible so I can get back out on the road. Thank you very much.